right, working my way up to another test drive. We haven't ate lunch today, so I'm gonna go get us a couple Arby's roast beef sandwiches. But we're gonna do that on this test drive. This one's on hold for a gentleman, but I'm still gonna put the video out for him so you can watch it, check it out. A lot of people request that. This is a 1987 Monte Carlo SS with a believed to be 350 in it. I did that one earlier, so check that out if you want to see the video. I try to get all the cars that come through the lot, just showing you what we get in inventory. That's why we go ahead and put all these videos up, sometimes even of sold cars. This one's not sold completely yet, but it is on hold for a gentleman. Check us out, maplemotors.com. It's about that time. About to go for a test drive. Let's take off. We're gonna check it out in here before we take off. Looks pretty good. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works? I can show you the miles. 63,000 is what it's showing on the dash. Start her up. Pretty good sound to it. Blower motor's working. I don't hear the compressor kicking on this one. We're gonna go ahead and try the horn. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We got the T-tops looking sweet. Let's try it out. Yeah, it works. We do got an aftermarket radio. We got a tilt column. We've got tinted windows. We'll see how she drives. All right, get my seat belt on. Oh yeah, that power window. Make sure y'all are set up nice. I'm starving, guys. It's almost closing time. We haven't ate, so we get something small so I can keep these test drives rolling here. Anything I see that's wrong with this, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Speedometer's coming up. This car is pulling a little bit to the left. I'll say that. I think it's just the way the steering wheel is. Looks like we're going pretty straight down the road now. Really tight on the steering. You think the kickdown's hooked up? It is. Feels pretty good. The tach is coming up, the oil pressure's working, our engine temp is up, gas gauge is up, voltmeter's up, brakes feel awesome. Turn signals popping up on both sides of the dash there. The steering wheel's not perfectly centered. Seat's a little bit faded, but it's not torn. Got a crack in the dash here. Wonder if the mirror works over there. Even the mirror works over there. All right. Well, so far so good on this one. It's running pretty good. I'm gonna pull into Arby's over here, get everybody a sandwich, and we'll get some outside shots here in just a moment. Check below if you want to see that the cameras and all the gear that I use. I usually put all that in the description. And I'm still gonna get these outside shots, but I'm gonna get this food first. All right. Good deal. Funny thing is, that's Arby's. We did all the shots in Arby's parking lot. Let's go in reverse for a little bit so we can head on back to the lot. Oh. So far so good. Engine temps are set up right, probably about 180 it's looking like. Exactly where it needs to be. Oil pressure is at 40. Now, if we can just let the traffic let up, I think we can do this. I guess I'm gonna do some zigzagging here. There we are. Try to block the sun with this pillar here. When I get back to the lot, I got a Corvette getting ready to throw up on here. I got just enough time today to do one more car. Lots of videos to edit tonight. Well, come on, traffic light. This is the main reason I usually don't go down Gallatin Road, which is the main strip here. You almost gotta like drag race to beat this light, because I know it's changing. Like, yeah, right then. Yeah, those guys behind me got stuck at the light. This car feels great going down the road. I need to center up the steering wheel. We're coming on back up to the lot now. I'm gonna finally eat me a sandwich for lunch, jump in that Corvette, and get one more ride and drive done for today. Maybe you can see the vet as soon as we pull in. I think that's gonna be a good one there. Thanks for riding with me, guys. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. Check out all of our current inventory on there. Get shipping and financing information, and we do update every Monday. This Monday is going to be our last update of the year. We're going to take a little break for a week, and then after New Year's we're going to have a ton of new cars for you. We've actually let them be hidden from the lot. We're getting ready to pave all this. It's going to look awesome. The whole entire car lot hasn't been paved in 38 years, and it's about that time. So we'll have fresh inventory first of the year, new paved car lot, and lots of new videos. So hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna try to keep posting every day. You can also hit that notification bell. Every time I post, it'll let you know. All right, let's go grab another ride.
Welcome to Arby's. Order when you're ready.
I'm just gonna get 5 roast beef sandwiches, and that's it.
All right, $10.98.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Look at that Arby's in 6 months or so. You can throw some in there. I'm not really sure. Probably just the Arby sauce. Might just throw this in the extra credits at the end. I don't know why. Just add some more footage there. Thank you.